Okay, our lecture is about plotting a displacement diagram for a body that is to fall with uniform acceleration motion, or that is also called positive acceleration. Here is the problem. Plot a displacement diagram for a body that is to fall 1 inch in 5 seconds with uniform acceleration. Plot the displacement as ordinate full size and the time as abscissas to a scale of 1 inch is equal to 4 seconds. So this is the displacement diagram. So the x-axis corresponds to the time in seconds and the y-axis is the displacement in inches. Now if you measure 1 inch, so we see that in 1 inch we have 4 vertical lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 white vertical lines. So every white vertical lines corresponds to 1 second. Okay. Now suppose that the body is from rest for 4 seconds. So we see we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the body rests for 4 seconds and then it will fall 1 inch for 5 seconds. If we measure this, the yellow line, we have 1 inch. Okay. Then we have 5 white vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we divide the yellow lines into 5 also. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So white vertical lines is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including this. And we also divide the yellow line into 5. So we measure again. This is 1 inch. Okay. Now after that, we connect the starting point of the falling down here. It fall starts here. So we connect this line to this point. Oh no, should be a line. And then continue. Okay. Then we connect the intersection of the vertical lines with the green lines. Okay. This one, we color and we try to make it thicker. So this one, the intersection of this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so this is the profile of the motion of the body that is to fall with a positive or constant or uniform acceleration. Okay, our next lecture will be about plotting on the displacement diagram a body that is to fall with a negative acceleration. So thank you.